Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College long kakot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but kiwai ban dep khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
Menteri Sarkar India upet Jakatna External Affairs US Jai Shankar la Kren Shai bagi India kan omtre banyak Kren AA bagi Pakistan la nyok tanggikam Lehnoh. Ujai Shankar loong bu umindirang ba adu ke India Narendra Modi la Kren da ka Bashai bagi jingan Kren hapadang ke India bagi Pakistan kan dai bet tanggikam Lehnoh. Ulang bagi Pakistan ke download hi kerteng jongki Lehnoh bagi seng jongki bagi deban IT ya ka thup kerteng syaki India bagi dairu ban penjat pen peralun ya kitam Lehnoh ke bidan ha Pakistan. Ulang bagi India ka keluar banyak Kren bagi Pakistan halau ki kam Lehnoh dikwipat kimat ya Kren. Ulang ruga bagi buan ba kiri ka perthai ki kershan ya ki India berwat ka Security Council jaga United Nation ru kalashim ya karai bagi Lehnoh ki biar thama pahelgam ki diban yo ya jing pencitam. Ujai Shankar la beteng biang ya jing Kren jong da ka boang bagi India kala penjat penpra ki kitam Lehnoh Pakistan henry ka jaka ban kershan ya ki India ka Pakistan kala ria thama kala penban bar haba ka le kumni menta ka yo i bar ka sngo tho ya jing do nong jongka haba ki India ka pen phai kala.
Talks with Pakistan. I think the Prime Minister made it very clear that the only talks with Pakistan will be on terror. That Pakistan has a list of terrorists who need to be handed over. They have to shut down the terrorist infrastructure. They know what to do. We are prepared to discuss with them what is to be done on terrorism. Those are the talks which are feasible.